Hey guys, it's Shelby here at Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're going to look at this awesome Brinkley Model I-265, and let's go check it out. Here on this awesome Brinkley, you have your LED rail lighting, and then you also have this awesome laminated windshield with the Brinkley logo, so it looks really sleek. You also have your two 30-gallon LP tanks, your electric tongue jack, and then also your battery box. Okay, so looking through this camping pass-through storage, you have your three switches. You have your 12-volt power switch, your solar switch, and your storage mode disconnect. And then you also have an awesome exterior shower hookup with hot and cold water. And then moving on, you have this huge awning, which is awesome because it covers most of the camper with your frameless windows. And now let's go look at the off-door side. Coming through on your off-door side with your pass-through storage, the first thing we're going to look at is your 65-foot extendable hose, which it makes city water hookups a breeze. And then when you come up a little bit, you also have your Nautilus system, which controls all of your water hookups. And then when you come up a little bit more, you have your two electronic gate valves that control gray and black water. And if that ever fails, which it should not, but if it does, you can always go underneath and do it manually. When you first come in to your left, you have all your main controls. You have your max air fan control. You have your main control, which controls your awning, your lights, your water tank, all that good stuff. And then you also have your stereo control. Coming into the kitchen, you have tons of counter space. And then you also have this extendable dinette, which is really cool because right here you have a drawer for your utensils and silverware. And then it's also got plenty of cabinet storage underneath with two foldable chairs. And then walking over here into the main kitchen area, like I said in before, you have plenty of counter space. And then you also have this farmhouse sink with a dish drying rack, or can make extra counter space. Plenty of cabinets. And then you also come over here, you have your 3-burner stove with your microwave, and then a little bit of Brinkley DNA. You pull this open, it's got your trash can in here with your paper towel placement or whatever you want, and then also a little area for your trash bags. Walking over to the only slide in this camper, you have your fridge and freezer, and also some pantry space if you want. And then you also have your seating area. It's got the theater seating with 2 cup holders and also some extra storage in the middle. And then moving right across from there, you have your projector, which is super cool. You can watch your entertainment or anything like that. And all you have to do is just pull down this screen and you're good to go. Here in the rear part of the camper, we're in the bathroom. So first things first, you have plenty of counter space, which is super nice. And then you also have plenty of storage space for any of your needs. And then it also has a porcelain foot flush toilet. Coming into your shower, this is a fiberglass walk-in shower, so it's super nice. And then you have your shower head and with a wand as well. So if you have a pet and they got a little dirty at the campsite, that's perfect for them. With plenty of shelf space in here and for your toiletries and all that stuff. The thing you see when you first walk in is this awesome king-size bed. And then another great thing about this Brinkley is there's plenty of storage space. Here are your nightstands. And if that's still not enough for you, check this out. All you have to do is flip the bed up and you have a walk-in storage / closet. You can literally step in here, which is really cool. Okay guys, thanks for hanging out with us today and checking out this awesome Brinkley. If you want to see more like this, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get alerted on all of our videos. We are family owned and operated. We're nothing like those big corporate guys, and we want you to be a part of our family.